There's a few tips we want to share with you for a successful testing session. Please remember, there is no right or wrong answer. We are not testing you. We really want to understand your particular experience and journey with this product. All of your thoughts and ideas will be valuable to us, as you will help us discover where we are doing well and where there's room for improvement. Even if you are feeling confused or you don't know what to do next, you can say that out loud. And speaking of speaking out loud, we want to ask you to please think aloud as you navigate this exercise. Thinking aloud might seem simple, but it can be hard sometimes because it's not our habitual way of communicating, thankfully. Thinking aloud means communicating what you're doing, as well as everything you are thinking and feeling as you're navigating a task or scenario. So, for example, say my task is to go onto Google and find coffee making instructions. So I am feeling quite confident here because I am very familiar with Google and this search engine. So I know exactly what I have to do. I'm going to go ahead. I see the search bar here and I am going to search for coffee making instructions. So I'm guessing that I have to pose it like a question. How to make coffee? And now I am clicking enter on that. Okay, how to make coffee. I see one result first in big letters and it makes me feel good because worst case scenario, I don't have to be looking for this. This seems to be the best, most simple instruction, or it feels like it because the letters are big and they are highlighted. And that is thinking aloud. I am being honest and uncensored about what I am seeing, doing, feeling, and thinking as I navigate the task. So, to recap, there is no right or wrong. Please remember to think aloud. And finally, please remember to speak as clearly as possible so that we can hear and understand you. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to install the software that you will need for this exercise. See you then.